Hey tribe, what it do? Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? How you feeling today? Do y'all notice something? Huh? A little different about your girl? Oh my god. She's not wearing a wig. Can you believe it? Y'all, look at how much hair I have, darling. Yes. No pieces, no extensions, no nothing, just all me, y'all. And that is because I have recently discovered my black is beautiful, y'all, and I felt completely empowered to wear my own hair, honey. Their products had my strong but fragile 4C hair popping, honey. And I was just like, oh, let's take you out for a spin, honey. Okay, but I've been rocking this actually for a few days now. So for me, it's time to transition into my puff. So I want to give their other products a try right now in real time with you guys. So this first up is the conditioning cream, the Tangle Slayer conditioning cream, honey, for the type 4 curly, coily girls out there. It is super nice and lightweight. It really is like a cream, but it feels more like a water base, so it's not heavy. Next up, we have the Edge Slayer, which is an edge control. It looks like it's black, but it's not. The gag is, it's clear, very clear. And I'm going to be using my little edge brush here, a tie head, you know, to keep her slick, as well as a band. We gonna need that band, honey. So the goal is to kind of just swoop it up like this, y'all. You know already when you have type 4 hair that edge controls tend to fail us. So I'm about to see if this will actually slick me up. So first I get my band and I like to tie it around my neck like a little bow tie around my neck. And then I actually turn it around the opposite direction so that my knot is going to be in the back of my head. And then I check the sides just to make sure we good. Okay, we good. Moment of truth. Alrighty. Oh, and the smell on this, nice and fresh. But ooh, it got me because the texture, I was like, okay, what that grip do? What? Oh, okay. Look at that already. It's already doing the work and I'm just getting started. Okay, this may live up to its name of Edge Slayer. Hold on, let's keep going. At this point, honestly, I'm so impressed with the grip. Like, it's pulling me back and I hadn't even applied my brush yet to lock it in. So I was already like, oh no, what have you done to me? The best part about it is that it has golden milk and honey and coconut oil. Honestly, y'all, this is like nourishing my hair, but also giving me hold. It's the best of both worlds, really. I mean, I am impressed. Now it's time for my band. We're gonna just put her on and slide her right on up. Yes, darling. Ooh. A little trick when you're doing any kind of ponytail or anything, tilt your head back while you slide up. You're gonna get a nice amount of tension in the back so that it's nice and smooth and tight in the back instead of getting that. You know, sometimes you do a ponytail and the back kind of slouches. That little head tilt back will save you from the slouch. And as you can see, my curls are actually still popping from this wash day a few days ago using the My Black is Beautiful collection. And y'all, I mean, what can I say? But I still do want to try this Tangle Slayer conditioning cream. The smell is delicious and it's super lightweight. I think this is ideal for just defining those little parts and giving me a little hang time to my puff. You know, sometimes you just want those little pieces to just go and last but not least, I'm applying the Edge Slayer on my little baby heels right now, y'all. Okay, and this postpartum life right now, my edges have gotten pretty thin, but I love that this is also nourishing my edges and holding me down, honey. Look at that. Look at that. Edges looking slayed, laid, and moisturized, hydrated, and healthy. I think the Edge Slayer has earned its name in this world over here. We are very happy. Oh, and can't forget the little curls on the side, y'all. It's just not complete without that. And I'm taking the edge layer and applying it on those little back beady bead hairs that tend to just kind of stick out, and I'm putting them in a downward direction. So as you can see, the edge layer is pretty strong. It made my kink like completely straight, but it is going to curl back up into a cute little defined curl back there. Honestly, guys, I feel so fresh. Like, seriously, it's been so long since I've had my natural hair out that I'm kind of shocking myself, and everything was just so easy with the My Black is Beautiful collection. All I need are some earrings, boom, honey, to seal the deal. I am definitely feeling myself. I am not gonna lie to y'all, but it's my birthday month, and I think this is exactly the pick-me-up that I needed, y'all. This right here, y'all need to go and grab some for yourself. Don't just trust me for it. Go ahead and try it yourself, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about. For real though, I have a new favorite. This was everything this mama needed to get back into herself. I really be acting like I'm talking to random strangers whenever I feel cute, just pretending like I'm getting compliments. You know. All right, y'all. That is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, because it's poppin', it's lit, and it's where you want to be. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, set the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.